Hey guys, I want to unbox this with you. I'm so excited. I've been waiting till I got back from my trip to be able to open this with you. Just went to the post office today and got this, so I'm excited and I'm scared at the same time because I hope it's what I expect it to be. I gotta be really gentle. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. If this turns out the way that I hope, oh my goodness. Are you guys getting this? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? If this turns out what I expected, it's going to look so perfect. Some of you guys saw this big hole in my wall where I said I'm waiting for something special in the mail to fill this exact spot in my office. Oh, oh my God. Oh my gosh. Okay, hang on, hang on. I'm going to do some cutting without having a man. There are parts. Oh my gosh. Are you? Oh my God. I'm so excited. Let's put this in the middle. This is it. Guess where this is going? Some of you guys already know where this is going. I'm so excited. Remember how I was showing you that I left a spot here on the wall, and I may change this out. I just used things that I had to make a nicer background, but for my desk, and I'm super excited to share something with you coming up really. Okay, so I've made the place on the wall and I've got my awesome sign. Let's turn it on. Let's turn it on. Okay, there we go. It's gonna look pretty awesome right here. The only problem is when we put it on the wall, white on white, even though it looks great there, it's very hard to see as the background, which is the point of this background that I'm trying to make, is just like a natural kind of boho luxe kind of greenery forest, me adventure, you know, that kind of thing. And I had this awesome picture, but I just had placed these items here. They're probably going to change because I was just using what I had for now. But I'm really excited about this. So I have a plan. We're going to go to the store and get something for those to go back onto. And yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to show you. So much stuff is in progress. A lot of crazy stuff going on because I have a lot of exciting things coming your way. Hey you guys, I'm so excited. Check it out. It is officially on the wall. Now, I don't think I can turn my camera like this, but I have to show you the whole kind of, there's the display. It looks all funny shape, but that's because when I'm sitting here, I sit here and, there's the sign. So I'm so excited. I absolutely love it. I mounted it on some greenery because I realized white on a white wall isn't actually that ideal, but I had to share it with you how awesome it looks and how it's coming together. I still have some different little things I'm going to get at Winners to fill in my holes. This isn't done. This is not aesthetically perfect or anything yet, but I'm getting things and gathering things, and I'm really loving the way that it's coming together. So I really wanted to share it with you, having so much fun, and I can't wait to share what I'm working on with you very, very soon, because I've been totally consumed with it and just having a ball. And just get ready and get inspired, because good things are coming. Okay, bye friends. Keep dreaming and keep creating.